Hi, sweet pea. Are you having fun in your crib? Was that a smile? Was that a smile? Show me again. Show me your smile. Show me your smile. There it is. That's precious. Do you have another smile for Mommy? Do you have another smile for Mommy? Yeah. There it is. Thank you. Thank you. What a big girl you are. One more time. One more smile for Mommy. Can you smile one more time for Mommy? One more smile.